Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register for your T-Mobile Money account. So the T-Mobile Money account basically helps you to easily transfer money to and from your external accounts. It also helps you send a check, pay bills, or direct deposit some of or all of your paycheck, all with just a few taps in the T-Mobile Money app. So if you want to get acquainted with all of these services, what you have to do is you have to get registered for your account, and to do so, stick with me till the end of this video in order to find how that is possible. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the T-Mobile Money app on your mobile device, and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this. Here you can see two options that say log into my account and sign me up for T-Mobile Money. Because you're trying to create a new account, tap on sign me up. As you tap on sign me up, a certain interface will now load on your page where you'll have to enter certain credentials in order to get signed up for or registered to T-Mobile Money. So now all you have to do is you'll have to enter certain credentials like your username and also your password, and also give them the necessary information regarding your mobile banking, and as a result of that you'll be able to register for the T-Mobile Money service. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to register for your own T-Mobile Money app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.